He's dead.
Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So that skunk was a freebie with the 22 that I keep in my hunting backpack. But this landowner called us and said that pigs have been coming back on his place again, and he was actually available to go out with us this night. And so we said, sure thing, man, let's make it happen. And so we did. That's me and my team going out there after this group of pigs that's in his front pasture, basically just right behind his house. And this is actually the landowner that's on the Thermion XP50, and I'm really glad he's with us because those people are not part of our hunting party. That's his property, even on the other side of the fence. That's all his, and he has no idea who those are. So, you know, most of the times people don't like to go hunting with the actual landowner because they are slowing them down, they're crimping their style for one reason or another, and I completely understand that. But at the same time, boy, am I glad that this landowner was with us. Now, most of this footage is actually going to be of those people because this landowner obviously is more interested in those people there than he is how many hogs we actually knocked down. And so, again, super happy that this landowner called us on this night, that we had this experience, and that we were able to have him there on top of everything else. Just want to reiterate that this scope is not mounted to a rifle. This is on a Picatinny rail that is on a tripod. So we are not pointing a rifle at these people at all. So we're going to fast forward through this little bit right here, and then we're going to pick up on the shooting here in just a little bit.
I'm gonna start left. I am ready. I'm with you. We got at least 5 down.
I tell them people over there, you start shooting, they hit the ground. They dove down, they got in the grass. I don't know who the hell it is. I like to know who the hell that is.
They're on the fence line.
They're taking off. They're going back towards the road.
They are on the fence line. They look like they got kids with them.
Well, that's our stuff over there.
Do you want to go confront them?
Yeah, I want to know who the hell it is.
Okay, well, we'll set this down and we'll load up and go confront them.
See if they're still over there.
Hey, we're gonna go confront those people. That's all his property.
Is it?
Yes.
I don't know who the hell that is over there. They were headed out.
They're still there. They're at the gate. They're walking, but they're at the gate. They're on the other side of the fence, but they're at the gate. Hey, guys.
I'm just gonna do this right here.
Okay, but let's make this happen. Somebody else is on his land.
I just want to see who that is.
There they are.
Where?
Right there in front of us. See where the red light is? They're directly right in front of that red light. You want to holler at them?
Hey, who are y'all?
They're coming.
Hey!
They see us. Okay, you want to go back to them? They're coming to us.
Colin don't give permission to this place. You're supposed to be on the other side of the road if you're on Cullen's place.
Okay, we're sorry, we didn't know that.
Well, it's a good way to get shot.
Yes, sir.
We were shooting some pigs out here. We seen y'all through the scope.
Sir, are you Uncle Jerry?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Colin said he's going to give you a call.
Okay.
All right, sorry about that.
It's all right.
I'm hoping this yard sometimes.
Huh?
I'm hoping this yard sometimes.
Well, we just need to know. Colin should have let us know somebody's in here.
So guys, as you could tell, that was actually the landowner's nephew's friends, and they were just on the wrong side of the road, but turned out to not be a complete stranger. So we're really happy about that. Super happy the landowner was there with us. And also this first time hunter, this lady right here, got her first experience doing any kind of hunting, and we got several hogs down. So it was a great night all in all, and I'm totally looking forward to going out to this place again, hopefully with less uninvited guests. But do keep hand bushing them hogs and eradicating those varmints. Bye.